If your page is restricted from advertising, here is a simple solution. This page is restricted from advertising. You see here, policy affected, business assets. Now, how to request a review? You can request a review and Facebook will respond you. So for this, come to your business manager, click on these three lines, then click on business support home, then come to your pages and see this page is restricted. So click on the restricted page and here you can request a review. Click on, I have already clicked on request a review and hopefully Facebook will respond you if you didn't violate a Facebook policy. Remember, when you get restricted from advertising, request a review as soon as possible or at least in 3 weeks. Otherwise, create a new page and start running ads from new page. To be honest, my page is still restricted as I didn't notice the page restricted notification and request a review few months later and it is still restricted. So hopefully you got the point. Subscribe for solutions of your advertising problems. Thanks for watching.